Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury beauty, luxury makeup, high-end beauty and high-end makeup, which it makes me feel better to say luxury and high-end, so. Anyways, today we are going to talk about my empties. I haven't done one of these yet, but I finally have. I'm looking at it. It's not a ton, but I feel like I finally have enough to where I can do this video, okay? It's mostly skincare, as in most empties. If you're a makeup lover like myself, it's very, very rare that I go through makeup. It happens occasionally, but it is very, very rare. So if you're interested in seeing what my products are that I have used up, then just keep watching. Okay, so first, this one that I'm fixing to show you isn't empty because I accidentally threw the one that I used up away. But it is this Dove body wash. I'm actually on my second bottle of this already. It's the one for sensitive skin because I don't know if I've mentioned this before on my channel, but I do have really, really sensitive skin. And whenever it comes to like highly scented soaps or lotions or anything like that, it's basically like a crapshoot if it's going to affect my skin or not. But I use this and it does have like a very, very light scent, but I've really, really been enjoying it. So whenever I finished the last bottle, I picked up some more. I just get it from Target because I have one like right down the street, which isn't always a good thing. But I really like it. It's hydrating. I still use lotion after I shower and bathe, but this is really hydrating and it doesn't irritate my skin. And it has like a light, fresh kind of scent. But I think it's just the ingredients that they use. They don't add any like perfume or anything to it. Just kidding. I just read the back of it and there is fragrance in it. It says fragrance parfum. Okay, well, it's for sensitive skin and it doesn't irritate mine, but apparently they do put fragrance in it. So yeah, but it's Dove. Dove's known for being sensitive. Anyways, I like this and I've used one up. So next, again, this one I have not used yet, but I have literally gone through like 5 of these. It's this Chantecaille Bio Lifting Mask sample. I haven't gotten a full size of this yet because I have literally been getting so many samples of this. I use it once a week, typically on Sundays, just to kind of like pamper and refresh my skin after the weekend. I put it on my clean skin in the evening and I sleep with it. And I wash my face every morning, so I guess it washes off, but oh my gosh, it just makes your skin look so beautiful, so plump, so hydrated, so lifted. It's absolutely fantastic and I love it. So this video, which is not surprising if you watch my channel, but it's gonna be very Chantecaille heavy because I mainly use their skincare. So this is it was like a little deluxe sample size of the Stress Repair Concentrate. I know y'all have heard me talk about this before. I scraped the bottom of this one, y'all. I know y'all have heard me talk about this before, especially in my like sale recommendation video for the Chantecaille sale earlier this year. This is the most amazing eye cream. This tiny, tiny little sample, I'm not even kidding y'all, lasted me like 3 weeks. You know what? I'm lying. It lasted me like a month because you need such a tiny amount. I put it under my eyes in the morning and in the evening, and then I take the excess and just kind of run it along like the top of my lip, not on my lip, but on the top of my lip, just to kind of fight some of those little lines that we get as we age. But this stuff is amazing and she's expensive, but it'll last, like, I'm not even kidding y'all, it'll last you forever. I know I talked in my Chantecaille sale recommendation video about the regular size pot that I have, and I said like, oh, I'll see how long this lasts. Y'all, it still looks like I have barely made a dent in it, and I have been using it. That was in what? Was it May or June? I've been using it, and like it's crazy. Like I feel like the stuff probably lasts for like, I mean, at least 8-9 months. It's crazy. It's expensive, but a little bit's gonna go a long way. So yeah, I'm gonna keep repurchasing that. I can't see myself using any other eye cream. So next, again, if you are not new to my channel, you know that I talk about this all the time, but I used up one of my Smashbox 24-hour photo finish eye primers. Again, this stuff lasts forever. You need the tiniest bit. It's all I use to prime my eyes. I know I tried using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer to prime. It just didn't work, but I ended up finding out that I love that for my blemishes, so it ended up working out. But this stuff is just so dang good. Just like that eye cream, you just need the tiniest bit. You let it set down. I usually, just because it's what I prefer, I do usually set it with a little bit of powder, like translucent powder first. But unless I'm going in with like a super, super glittery shadow, then I will not set it. And I mean, it sticks to this stuff. It's absolutely fantastic. So next, more Chantecaille, no surprise. This is the Chantecaille Retinol Intense. I use this every single night. This was actually my second tube of this, so now I'm on my third tube. I use like 3 pumps, which is honestly probably still too much, but I just love this stuff. It's great for sensitive skin and somebody that wants to use retinol. I've tried other retinol products and my skin, y'all, it just can't handle it, okay? Like when I tell you my skin, especially on my face, is so sensitive, this is the only retinol product that I've ever been able to use that doesn't give me some kind of crazy reaction, and it's really, really beautiful, and I highly recommend it, especially like as a beginner retinol. Even if your skin's not sensitive, if you haven't used anything like that before, start with this one. Get a sample, give it a try. It's really, really beautiful, and I will continue, I have continued to repurchase this. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and knock the rest of the Chantecaille out because there's so much. I used up one of the Rose de May cleansing balms. This, okay, again, scraped the bottom. It still smells so good. It has that signature Chantecaille Rose de May scent. This is amazing, and I cannot stress how much I love this stuff, y'all. I want to say I'm on my like 3rd or 4th jar of this. It's a cleansing balm, but it's almost like a lotion. And again, kind of like the retinol, I've tried to use cleansing balms and they all break me out or give me some kind of weird reaction. This is the only one that removes my makeup but doesn't break me out, and it just makes my skin so soft, so nice. And it really, like this, I have to say that when it comes to Chantecaille, this is probably the thing that I go through the quickest, because I mean, it is a cleansing balm, so you do have to use a pretty decent amount, but like, oh, it's so good, and I really, really love it. Okay, 2 more Chantecaille products, and then I'm gonna shut up about Chantecaille. This was a little deluxe sample of the Rose de May cream. Yeah, like the face cream, the moisturizer. I have to smell it all because it just smells so good. I use this up. I am on a, regular size jar of this. This is one of those products, again, you barely have to use any. Like I've used like half of it, and I've been using it for like 5 months now because you barely need any, and it just absorbs into your skin. It's so beautiful. I heard somebody talk about the Rose de May cream as far as how it is beneficial for people with acne because of that rose aspect of it. And like, I truly believe that. I'm truly sold on that. I don't know necessarily that it does, but I can't remember who it was that I heard say that. But I mean, I really feel like it just keeps my skin really, really beautiful. Okay. Last Chantecaille product. the face wash. This is like, I think I heard Kelsey Brianna J say this is like the never-ending face wash, and she's not kidding. Like, it is never, I'm sorry, it's the Rice and Geranium Foaming Cleanser. It is never ending, y'all. Like, you need the tiniest little bit. So this looks small, but it lasts forever. And this past Nordstrom anniversary sale, they had a set where it was like 2 of them for like a crazy discount. So I went ahead and picked that up because this stuff is absolutely amazing. Okay, so next, I guess this is kind of a makeup product, but it's this Laneige lip sleeping mask. This was in the shade, the scent Sweet Candy, and this one was okay. I didn't love this Sweet Candy scent, but obviously I must have not disliked it too much because I used it up. Y'all, I have been using this stuff for so dang long. Like, I'm not even exaggerating when I say that this is probably like my 9th or 10th pot of this stuff because I've been using it for so, like, even before I started doing YouTube, before I started doing Instagram, all of that, I have been using this stuff. I put it on my lips every night, and I just can't imagine using anything else for my lips at night. I wake up, they're hydrated. I don't wipe it off in the mornings because it's usually absorbed into my lips. It's just really beautiful. I think right now I have like the gummy bear one, which has kind of got like a purple tint to it. So I don't think I'll repurchase that one. I mean, I'm gonna use it up, but it kind of gets on my sheets and I kind of don't like that. But they have like the apple, just the regular berry one. So I'll probably pick up one of those next. Oh, they have a vanilla one too. That's what I'm gonna get because it's clear. But the purple, the gummy bear scent, I'm not a fan. This one was okay, but I'm not a fan because of the purple tint. But yeah, this is a great, and it's a great value because again, this lasts like forever. Okay, y'all, 2 more products and then that's it. So I used up this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Dream Body Cream. Wow, that's a mouthful. This stuff smells like watermelon Jolly Rancher. And it says that it's got like, it's smoothing and moisturizing. I want to say it's got like AHAs and BHAs, so I was kind of worried to use it, but it was so nice, y'all. Like, so nice. I'll probably repurchase this again in the summer because for me, watermelon's kind of like a summery scent. Right now I'm using like a Hemp's holiday scent or something, but I'm weird about that. Is anybody else like that? Like, I want the scent to match the season, and this is more of a summery scent for me. Maybe if they came out with it in a different scent, then I would purchase it for fall, but I don't want to smell like watermelon in the fall and winter. Anybody else feel me? But anyways, this stuff's great. It's hydrating, it's nice. I definitely recommend this. And last but certainly not least is this SPF. It's the Supergoop Mineral Sheer Screen. Again, this is one of those products that this is the only SPF that I have ever found that doesn't break me out. And oh my goodness, I'm so glad. I wear this every day. It's the last step in my skincare routine before I put my makeup on. It protects my skin, it doesn't break me out, and it is fantastic. I've already repurchased it. Honestly, now that I'm looking at it in the light, I probably, ooh, there's a fuzzy. I probably could get like 1 more use out of this. So yeah, maybe this isn't an empty, but it's about to be. So anyways, y'all, those are my empties. Let me know if you enjoyed this video in the comment section down below. Also, let me know, do you use any of these products? What are some of the products that you go through that are your empties? I'd love to know. Also, if you like this video, hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. And if you're not following me over on Instagram, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.